We feel like for an online course, it's got to be vibrant and exciting for students, and given today's students and how they're so used to having an iPod with video right in their hand and they're checking it as they walk across the oval, we really needed something that was exciting. I've been at Ohio State 18 years. I'm the Vernal Rife Professor of Political Science. I teach American politics and methodology. When I was teaching many years ago and students were getting called up to Afghanistan, they were dropping their classes. I started doing an online version for those students, and then that warped into teaching completely online. I wasn't interested in doing this if it was just going to be a black and white course that's boring, that students are just clicking through to get their grade. I wanted it to be something that challenged them to learn and understand. And so I started looking around and looked at a number of publishers' materials and just was not satisfied, and then found Soomo. Soomo works so well for me because of the multimedia aspect. It's exciting and professionally done. And so it gets students excited about the material in a way that they're used to learning. They're used to using these kind of resources, and it brings political science to life for them.